How to enable disappearing messages in Zangi. Are you looking for an easy way to keep your Zangi chats more private? Maybe you are sharing sensitive information or you just like an idea of your messages not stick around forever. Well, Zangi has a built-in feature for that, disappearing messages. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to enable them. So, what are the disappearing messages? It's simple. When you enable this feature for a specific chat or a group, any new messages sent after you turn it on will automatically delete themselves for both you and the recipients after a set amount of a time you choose. It's a great way to add an extra layer of security and privacy to your conversation. Alright, let's get straight into it. Enabling disappearing messages in Zangi is really straightforward. First things first, let's open the app. Once inside the app, you will be directed to the chat section, and this is exactly how the chat section look like. Now, simply navigate to the chat or the group conversation where you want to enable the disappearing message. Remember, this setting is applied per chat, not globally for all your conversation. Let's go to this first one chat. Once inside the chat, you will see this type of interface. This disappearing message is only applicable for the photos and files. However, it is not available for the text messages. So let me show how we will be enabling the disappearing message. For that, simply tap on this add button right over here. For example, let's send a photo. Go to the gallery and tap on the photo and tap on next. And over here, you will see this one and a circle around it. If you tap on it, it will automatically enable disappearing messages or the disappearing photos on your message. Now let's tap on send. And so this is the disappearing message. And now once the contacts see this message, it will be disappeared from the chat. And you can also see there's written one-time photo right over there. And that's it, you have successfully enabled disappearing message in Zangi. However, you have to enable this disappearing message in each photo or each file you have sent. So that's a little bit difficulty, but it will help you to maintain the privacy that you want. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.